So this is going to be our first video of 2020, and we have a lot of stuff coming. It's taken us a while to get ramped up because obviously microgreens take a little bit to grow, and we took a little bit of a break at the end of last year to get ramped up for things. So let's talk about quickly what we've got going on. So we have a lot of full walkthroughs coming, like a lot. We're going to be doing Swiss chard, sunflower, nasturtium, borage, melon, Rambo radish, clover microgreens, broccoli microgreens, red garnet amaranth, which is actually this one right here, which is going to be hydroponics, and purple kohlrabi. That's what we're just starting with, and we've got a ton more lined out for that. So as for experiments that we've got going on, we've got some more of the nutrients versus waters. Right here we got this purple sprouting broccoli. Broccoli is just a super strong growing microgreen, so we always like to test out nutrients on it because it really does show the results very, very quickly. So this one just went into the light yesterday and just started getting nutrients, so I'm excited to see what the results of that are going to be. As for other tests, we've finally got our lighting test set up. So over here where our little tower system used to be that we took down, we just weren't really happy with the system, so we got it out of here, put in a lighting test. So what we've got on this is we've got some Rambo radish that we're actually going to be harvesting today, so I'm excited to see what the results are for that. So you should be seeing that video in the next few days for the actual full grow on this. And then we've also got some borage on this shelf as well, so we're going to see how borage does under different types of lights. And I'm pretty excited because this one down here is a pretty expensive LED light, and honestly, the results are pretty good. So we'll save that and we'll be talking about that soon. So some other tests that we have coming soon, we're going to be doing a lot more soils versus hydroponics. That's just something that I love doing personally. I love hydroponics, so I like comparing it against soils and seeing how that we can grow against it. We've got a lot more nutrient experiments coming. We've got some more medium experiments coming for hydroponics. And outside of just our videos, something that's pretty cool that we've been doing is working a lot on our personal brand. So we've been meeting with people, trying to figure out, what's our goal, what's our mission. And what we do know is that we love giving away information. We love sharing openly with the community. And so we're really kind of driving that point even further. What we've done is we've actually, Mandy and I have sat down, we've been building our own website, and it's coming together really nicely. We've got a lot of cool things happening on it, such as merchandise for t-shirts. We designed our own t-shirts and things like that. And we're also going to be using it as just kind of like a hub for like good information. What we're going to have is we're going to have seeding guides on there. We're going to have all the links for our how-tos, full walkthroughs, experiments. Again, we're going to have the merchandise on there, and we have plans for a lot more stuff, but we're going to kind of keep that under wraps for now. But I think it's going to be a pretty awesome little hub for just kind of free information on how to grow microgreens, because I think that's how it should be. I think everybody should know how to grow these wonderful greens because they are so tasty, so much fun to grow, and so dang good for you. So we are really, really excited about the potential for 2020. We are just on track to have an awesome year this year, thanks to your guys' support, and we're going to do our best to continue to provide content that you guys find valuable, because that's all we really care about. We do this for you guys, literally. And we also get to eat all these greens too. So we do it a little bit for ourselves too, where we get to enjoy the greens a little bit. But what we're doing is we're trying to help everybody out there try to learn how to do this because it is so much fun. All right, so that is it for today. We've got a bunch of videos coming out over the next few days, so please stay tuned for that. I'm really excited to share these videos with you guys, and thank you again from the bottom of our hearts for all the continued support. It really does mean a lot to us. See you soon.